watch. Oh, he gets cracking straight away. First ball and hammered through.
Babar's, geez, easy on the eye, isn't he? Smithers!
Yeah, Mickey Arthur.
This is glorious from Babar. He's a class X.
Oh, that is exquisite.
Oh, how good was that?
And that's a cut shot, and that's a four. That's class again.
Short and lovely shot for four. Babar Azam on strike, Yasir Shah. And this is a wonderful cover drive. Splits that inner ring of field. Smashed past the bowler. Babar Azam taking a fancy to the speed of Fillion.
Shot down the ground, Babar Azam. Just look at that class. Timing, just...
Shot. Oh, how good is that?
Slashed for runs. Oh, bit of football.
Nice looking shot this is. Oh, it's gone through for four. Just effortlessly caressed for four.
Classic is Babar Azam through the offside. Such a joy to watch when he is running in such great form. There's the drive, powerfully driven through the offside. He's a joy to watch. Babar
looking for the Yorker again, and it's flown off the bat. Babar Azam, brilliant four, and it's now the joint highest.
That's bad line and paying the price for it. He's not happy, obviously. He knows that he's made a mistake.
Well, that could well be four. It's got enough on it, and it's four. Oh, now then. That looks a monster. Six of the best.
And again, not quite an action replay. It's a similar region, similar result.
And that's, oh, Babar Azam.
Too short. Can't bowl there to a seasoned player like Babar Azam. He'll punish you. He's got something on this, and that is the shortest boundary, and it's runs here.
Yeah, that's good batting. Junaid Khan is frustrated because on the pads was always going to be risky. So
Nicely hit into the gap and timed beautifully.
releasing the pressure is Babar Azam with an exquisite pull shot. Picked up the length early and should carry on at this pace. They'll end up with 194. Oh, that's beautifully placed. Not a over the field.
Here's Chris Green. Lovely, sweet sound that made off the bat. That's the 150 up.
Yeah, just like that. I mean, wrist work was glorious.
Hear that. Hear that. Look at that. Oh, joy. 60.
Oh, an edge for four.
Wonderful wrist work from a wonderful talent that is Babar Azam. Oh, that is simply outstanding. Mr. Wristy with another one.
And that's too straight. That'll be tucked away. As you say, fine leg in place. That's out to square leg. And that's just too...
Yeah, that's expertly played for four. Now that is class.
Danger, danger. Oh, that's terrific shot. Just hits with that slight movement. There's an element of risk in the shot. Quick fire stuff too. And again down the ground for 4. It won't be cut off. Just have to do enough.
Goes hard again, and yep, another one.
It's Babar Azam. The mid-off is up in the ring.
Change of line here from Sentner. And, oh, no, it's gone through. It's gone through.